Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Zudako Daily Updates. So today's episode is wild. An AI went for a full war criminal inside strategy game. 11 Labs is making your ads speak 50 languages. The Five Eyes Spy Alliance just dropped terrifying warning, and Razer build glowing capsule with holographic animation character that won't to sit on your desk forever. Okay, so this is today's AI updates. So let's get into it. Okay, so this story is both hilarious and deeply unsettling. Our researchers at the Tony Blair Institute, yes, that Tony Blair wanted to test whether AI can actually govern, uh, not just answer questions about policy, actual governor, right? Make decisions over hundreds of tons with changing information and competing goals. So he plunged AI into a civilization style strategy game and let it run. Okay, the AI was controlling Portugal, France, and ahead on culture victory points. So, what did the AI do? It spent 50 tons quietly building towards nuclear fission. It actually started the Mountain project inside the game and brokered a joint war with Korea to split nuclear weapons by digging into the game's own code. At tons 305, it nuked at tons 311. It nuked it again. France won anyway on diplomatic points, which the AI wants even tracking. The lessons the researchers took away, one of that should stick with all of us. The AI was so fixated on the threat it could see that it's completely missed the conditions it was actually losing on. That's not just a game problem, that's a very real AI element problem, right? Okay, next update is 11 Labs just made it dramatically easier to take a single ad campaign and clone it across 50 languages while keeping the original speaker's voice, tone, and emotional delivery intact. Their 11 creative platform, which combine their best in class voice models, dubbing, music generations, and video tools, can now localize the entire brand campaigns at machine speed. The key tech here is their dubbing V2 model. Unlike old school dubbing, which just reads and translate in generic voice, dubbing V2 creates a voice clone of original speaker for every target language. The emotion carried across, the performance carries across, right? So instead of spending weeks, the thousands of dollars per language on studio dubbing, a marketing team can now go from idea to 20 language global campaign in a single day. For creators and brands trying to reach India, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, this is genuinely game changer thing. Okay, uh, so next is a major survey by Shift browser, right? Like shifting browser, right? Covering over 140, 400 nationally representative response and found something very telling about where consumers AI sentiment is heading. 32% of people now use AI daily. 53% say it genuinely improve their digital experience. But here's the flip side of 44% are worried about AI taking actions without their approval. 81% are concerned about AI accessing their private data, and only 16% say that trust AI answer engine a great deal, right? A Gartner survey backed this up from shopping angle. Consumers are fine letting AI help them research, compare prices, and narrow choices. But when it comes to the final decision, they want that that to stay with him, right? The bottom line: people don't want less AI. They want AI with a clear off switch. Customization, transparency, and control are now the top purchase drivers in AI product. Okay, okay. This one is serious. In a rare joint statement, the intelligence agencies of uh, five I nations, that's the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, issued an unpretended warning this week. They said that frontier AI models capable of conducting devastating cyber attacks, governments, businesses, and critical infrastructure are not years away. They are months away. Their exact word where the timeline is not years, it is months, right? The concern is that AI models powerful enough to chain together multi-step cyber explosion, finding vulnerabilities, building attack paths, adapting in real time, will soon be broadly available, even if companies try to restrict them, right? Because yesterday frontier AI becomes tomorrow's open source AI very quickly, right? They specifically called out legacy systems, weak identity controls, and slow patching as the top vulnerabilities that AI will exploit at scale. Right? The agencies are urging organizations to stop treating cybersecurity as a purely technical problem. Their words: this is a core business risk and leadership responsibility, right? Okay. OpenAI just launched something that quietly changes how we think, right? Okay. uh, about ChatGPT entirely, right? uh, ChatGPT rolled out a new scheduled task feature, giving user a dedicated schedule page in the sidebar where you can set ChatGPT to handle recurring work automatically. You can tell it things like send me an AI news briefing every morning, or AI updates morning, or monitor this website for price change and notify me when price drops, and generate my weekly metrics report every Monday, and it runs in the background. You just get a notification when it's done. On top of that, they launch workspace agents for teams, fully persistent AI agents that can run inside ChatGPT and Slack, take on repeatable workflow, coordinate approvals, access connected apps, and keep working even when you are not in the conversation. Right? So this is OpenAI's real vision finally taking shape. AI does AI that does work between conversation, not just inside them, right? Okay, speaking of OpenAI and cybersecurity, just hours ago, they massively expanded their Daybreak initiatives. Daybreak is OpenAI cybersecurity program that combines their frontier AI models with their Codex security tool to find, validate, and pitch software vulnerabilities, and uh, at a pace no human security team can match. Here's the scale of what they have already done. Codex Security has scanned over 30 million code commits across more than 30,000 code bases, right? Human reviewed confirmed over 70,000 fixed findings. Their models found exploitable vulnerabilities in Firefox, Chrome V8 engine, and Safari's WebKit, the Linux kernel, and FreeBSD. Today, they announced Patch the Planet initiative, partnering with Trails of Bits, HackerOne, and 30 plus open source projects, including Python, Go, and CURL, to bring uh, AI powered security research to maintainers who build the software the whole internet runs on, right? They are also building they are also launching GPT 5.5 cyber model for approved defenders, and partner program that includes Cisco, Cloudflare, CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, and Wiz, right? This is OpenAI saying we build AI that can find security holes. Now we are going to use it to patch the world's software before the bad guys get there, right? Okay, and finally, the wildest product of the week, Razer's Project Ava, new officially just called Razer AVA, is glowing cylindrical AI companion that sits on your desk and literally lives there, right? It transparent tube about the size of small business thumbs with 5.5 inch holographic display inside. You choose your avatar, a calm, growing ARB, an animate companion, a gaming Wingson, or even licensed version of a sports legend faker, right? But the hardware is genuinely impressive. It has dual far field microphones, and HD camera with ambient light sensing, down firing speakers, RGB light, and uh, you know now full agentic AI capabilities, right? You don't just chat with it, you it can book your meetings, coordinate uh, uh, with other AVA device, help you pick loud outs, and remind you of your schedule, all while looking at you and reacting to your expressions, right? It ships in the second half of 2026, around 6 or 26 or 27. But you can reserve one now for refundable $20 deposit, right? It weird, it's very Razer, and honestly it kind of the future, right? Okay, that's your daily AI updates, and from Zudako, this is the 7 AI updates. uh, some kind of AI updates are boring, but if you found this video useful, subscribe and hit that bell icon. And I drop this type of AI updates every single day. So subscribe the channel, and we will meet you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.